Who said you can't put a 4-inch downpipe on a 6.5 liter? The only thing I had clearance problems with was that there. Like, look how close that is. Behold, a 4-inch downpipe off of a GM8 turbo with a 4-inch exhaust brake, and then going to a 5-inch straight pipe all the way to the 5-inch dual stacks. It was a battle, but it clears everything. Getting it in was the hardest part, considering it's literally all one piece right on down to the exhaust brake. I had to literally take the body mount out and jack up the truck a couple inches, trim that just a little. That's going to be a sensor area for my back pressure gauge, and as you can see, it's pretty scraped up. That was nice first paint with splatter and mediocre welding that was not cleaned up everywhere.